So I was looking to switch up my favorite series. So I know I've been doing like seasonal favorites. I did that for a little bit over a year, and I'm not sure if you guys still want to see those seasonal favorites, like spring favorites, fall favorites, all that stuff. I switched up how I was doing those, and then my most recent video was holiday favorites. So yeah, so I decided I wanted to do like color family favorites. And if you guys like this video, let me know if you want me to continue doing color family favorites, because I can definitely do it for every color of the rainbow. I could do nudes and neutrals, blacks and whites. Like, it's up to you. Let me know. I want to know. Anyways, yes, I'm actually doing a video on my favorite purples. I know I'm not a big fan of purple, but I do have a list of colors that I've purchased. I have a lot of purples that I've purchased just because it looked nice at the time, but you know when you look at it on your skin, it's like that nude that you're like, oh, that don't look too great on me. Yeah, that's how a lot of purples happen with me, so yeah. I don't like the darker ones, but I'm learning I like the lighter ones, so that counts, right? Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, so keep on watching. So I went through and I pulled pictures of a bunch of different purples that I have, and I have them in my phone pulled up. Wow, that's actually quite a variety. Anyways, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna show you guys every single purple and talk about like why I like it. Is there a solid purple? Not a single one of these are solids. Yeah. Maybe I just don't like solid purple. Like if you throw some glitter in there, it like changes the story. Let's get started. All right, this first purple that I'm going to talk about is called Liv Lav Luv, and it's from Manny Boss. When I first placed an order with Manny Boss when she first opened, one of my first or second orders was this purple. I actually did a manicure with it. I did a full manicure for Halloween. I wanted to go for cutesy Halloween, more like brighter, happier. The reason I bought this purple was because it's on the lighter side, and I wanted to step out of my comfort zone when it came to using a new brand. I'm like, don't go for your traditional colors that you always reach for. You know you don't reach for purples. Why don't you go for something outside the box? Which is why I bought this one, and I'm happy that I actually wore it. So this next one is actually a trio, and it's from Kimberz Kreations. So it is her fall floral trio, and you'll notice there's a like darker purple, a pink, and then a multicolored glitter. I do like the darker purple and the pink together with the glitter, but if I had to wear them alone, I probably would not wear the darker purple. But if you look at that glitter, it has like gold and brown, that lighter pink, and a darker purple in it, and I think it's absolutely stunning. I just like that play, like the play on the colors. By the way, I do have a question. If a purple is a glitter mixed with other colors in it, is it still considered a purple? Or is it just like a glitter mix? Is it really considered purple? Because there's pink in here, so wouldn't it be considered pink or gold? You know, I don't know. All right, so this next one is another one from Kimberz Kreations. Wow, Kimber, you're really making me like these purples. It is her February birthday duo. It is Dare to Wear and Lilac and Lace. Lilac and Lace is absolutely stunning. I wouldn't wear Dare to Wear by itself, but you pair it with Lilac and Lace, I love it. So yeah, Dare to Wear solo, not for me. You add Lilac and Lace, it's perfect. I would actually wear Lilac and Lace by itself too. Okay, so this next purple is from All Powdered Up, and it has the name purple in it, like the word purple in the name. It's called Purple Embers. So I don't know what it is about this color that I'm attracted to. I couldn't even tell you, but it's on the lighter side. So it goes for that whole trend of I like the lighter purples, like more on the lilac and lavender, like yeah, just softer, brighter, pastel-ier shades. I really like the glitter that's used here because it takes away from the solid of the purple. It just adds like another, I don't know, it just makes it pretty. Okay, stop. Okay, so this next purple is called Lust, and it's from Revel Nail, and honestly, it's not your traditional purple because it's like on the fuchsia side. So I'm like, does this qualify as a purple? I really like it because it's not your traditional purple and it has shimmer in it, and it's actually really, really pretty. Going on to Revel again, they have this color called Captivate, and I'm going to ask that question again. If a color is a glitter mix with other colors in it, is it truly like the primary color family considered purple? Like, here we are again with like almost the same color family as Lust, but you can see it has like these flakies in it that are different colors. That's just like, I don't know, I really like it when purples or any color is mixed with other colors. Okay, this one, I don't know. It's called Enchanted, and it's by Revel, and it's a really, really soft, shimmery, gorgeous color, and it's so easy to work with too. This one's a love-hate because I think this one makes me look like a dead zombie. Well, zombies are dead, so why am I calling it a dead zombie? It makes me look like a zombie, I think. It just makes me look like really, like my hands are dead. But the color is really pretty in the jar. Okay, oh, I like this one. I haven't worn it yet, but I really want to. This one is from Glitter and Grace, and it's called Grace. As you can tell, I'm on this like lighter purple trend. You cannot get me to wear a royal purple on my nails. It's just not gonna happen. It's not, sorry. Yeah, this one's pretty. That's all I have to say, it's pretty. Ooh, Zooty Nails. So Zooty Nails has a couple of color changers, and this one's called Climax Purple. She also has it in pink, and I'm really hoping she comes out with like a turquoise version of it or teal. But this one, it changes from white to purple, and that's actually like that darker purple that I don't like, but I just think that the color change in itself is really cool. So it's not that I think it's pretty, I think it's cool. Does that count? That counts, right? I haven't worn it yet though, so I don't know. Oh, I love this one. I'm never gonna sell this one. I'm never giving this one up. It is absolutely stunning. It's called Amuck, 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 and it's from her Hocus Pocus collection that she released in 2019, and I love it. I think I actually wore this one for a mani. I absolutely love this color, and you can tell, like, if you look at it, you can tell there's like the purple, and then you have, is that pink, red, fuchsia color that's mixed in it? See, it's another one, a glitter mix. It shouldn't qualify as a purple. Okay, this one I think it's just like, I know Sparkle & Co. doesn't sell this anymore, so that's where I'm like stuck between a rock and a hard place. Is this one, it's just like the dimension that draws me in. Like if you look really close at it, you're like, huh, that's got, like, you can see flecks of pink in it, and it's just like the darker dimension with the purple. I don't know, it's just like very like hypnotizing. That's what it should have been called. Gotta shout out my girl Miranda over at Corgie's Wine and Nails, because she actually sent me this color, and I wore it on a trip to New York a couple years ago, and I actually really, really liked it. And since it was so freezing cold because we went in December, my colors were changing on my hand actually really frequently whenever we went in and out of buildings and stuff. So I really like Miranda's Secret Wish. Okay, so back on the Sparkle & Co. train, Brunchin Babes. If you've never seen their spring into summer collection, I actually did a mani with it last year. I did like a multicolored mani and everything. I actually really liked that manicure. But Brunchin Babes is one of the colors from that collection. It's iridescent glitter. So I think it's because the purple is a softer tone, so it's a very springy, pastel-y vibe with that iridescent glitter in it. I was like, ooh, that's gorgeous. This one is Let Them Eat Cake from Triple D. This picture actually doesn't do it justice, so let me grab a different picture to show you. It's such an amazing glitter. I did a mani with it. It's a pain in the butt to work with, but it's worth it when you get the mani on. It's so worth it. Alright, this other one is called Megan from Triple D. I actually think she sold out of it. Oops. It's a shifter. It's one of her shifter collection colors. So it shifts from like that light pinky purple to like that blue green, so you can see in the picture when you zoom in that's like 2 different colors. Yeah, so I really like that one, again, on that light train. And this one, along with that other one from Sparkle & Co., this one completely breaks all my rules. This was the first purple ever to make me go, ooh, why do I like that? I don't know why I like that, but I like that. So this is from Peppi Gel. It's called Disco Party. They released it, I think they released it in one of their like monthly mystery boxes a couple years ago. And when I saw it, I was like, why is that so pretty? Like, that's actually really pretty. A friend gave me some of it, so I do have some of the powder. I've just never worn it, but it is a pretty color. I think it's because it has silver glitter, so it's not purple on purple, it's purple with like silver in my, is it silver? I'm gonna have to pull the jar out and find out. Yeah. As you can tell, if you go through this list of colors, I've worn 6 out of 16 of these purples. So, and that's just of my favorites, not of the ones that I own, because I own more purples than this. Don't ask why, I don't know. It's like asking me why I have so many yellows and greens. They're not my favorite shade either, as I wear a mustard yellow. See, some yellows can be done well, others are just pretty bad in my opinion. But this one's like on the mustardy side, and I really do like mustard yellows if paired well with the right colors. And it's funny because I think mustard yellows go great with purples, Mardi Gras, and they go great with greens. If you do like the earthy tones of greens, I think those go well together too. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.